Once upon a time, in a dense, green forest, lived a small and timid creature named Pangolin. Pangolin was known for his unique, scaly skin and long, sticky tongue. One night, Pangolin had a strange dream. In his dream, he saw a beautiful, shimmering pearl hidden deep within the forest. The pearl was glowing and sparkling, and Pangolin felt drawn to it. He woke up with a start, and the image of the pearl was still fresh in his mind. Pangolin decided that he must find this pearl. He packed a small bag with some food and set off on his adventure. Through the forest, Pangolin climbed hills, crossed rivers, and navigated thick underbrush. Along the way, he met many forest friends, rabbits, birds, and squirrels. They all encouraged him to keep going, to find the glowing pearl. Finally, after a long journey, Pangolin reached a clearing. There, in the center, was the pearl, just as he had seen in his dream. But it was guarded by a fearsome tiger. Pangolin was scared, but he remembered the words of his forest friends. He took a deep breath and approached the tiger. To his surprise, the tiger spoke. "I am the guardian of the pearl," it said. "You can have it, but you must promise to use it wisely." Pangolin promised, and the tiger let him take the pearl. He returned to his home, feeling proud and happy. That night, he held the pearl close and felt a warm, comforting glow. From that day on, Pangolin used the pearl's glow to guide lost animals back to their homes. He became known as the kind and helpful Pangolin, and everyone in the forest lived happily ever after. And so, the end of Pangolin's dream adventure became the beginning of a new, wonderful chapter in his life. And he lived happily ever after, too. The end.